Yet another airdrop hunting on my channel, and what I always do is to find some airdrop that you have to pay a little bit of money to farm, because the amount of money you're going to pay is going to make it more realistic for you to get good amount of money, because a lot of people just want free airdrop and without paying any gas fees on these chains. So right here is base network layer 2 on Ethereum, backed by Coinbase. This is a token, or this is a chain you will be hoping to farm an airdrop on. And right here, as you can see, you have to move with where money is going. You see this TVL, total token lock value have increased in few months right here. And what you want to do is find a project right there that have potentially of making airdrop for their early user. So I always use this airdrops.io to find a project that you have to pay a transaction fee for you to be able to participate in this airdrop. And with this, we got this base name service website, and with this you'll be able to buy this domain name and get 200 points. And once you buy this domain name for a year, you get 2,000 of these points. So you will receive 500 points for purchasing domain name for a year. The longer the duration, the more points you will earn. So right here, this website highlight the footstep you'll be taking in this process. And fun fact is, you don't need to bridge token to this network. On your Binance account, you can just send funds from your Binance account, go to Binance, buy it, and you find option to send your asset to this base network directly from Binance account. So you don't need to pay a lot of gas fees for Ethereum. Mind you, if you want to farm any airdrop, note have separate wallet for airdrop, so you don't keep a big amount of money on wallets you are using for airdrop. And once you buy this Ethereum on your Binance and you send to this base network, you just need to go ahead and come to this website. You can press this link, it's going to bring you over here, and you connect your wallet. I've already connected this, and the name of your domain name, just going to put this, and it's going to load up to check if this domain name is available, and you'll be able to claim this, and you will get 500 points plus from partner campaign. And the more duration of years of your registered domain name, that's how much points you will receive. That's for 1 year is 2,000 points, and if you register 5 years, you have 10,000 points. And the total amount of you'll be paying in dollar value is $8. And with $8, I kind of find it interesting to farm more airdrop right now, because I don't have enough money to buy some crypto that can do maybe 20x I have with money. With this kind of airdrop, I can try to farm like 100 airdrop and hopefully make good money out of 100. If I farm 100 airdrop or 50 airdrop, I might get 20, I might qualify for 20 or 10, and with that I have good amount of return. And you can just press this right here and press register. You have to sign this, and right here you'll be paying 17 cents for gas fee, and you press confirm. So I will be paying a total of $8.18 for buying this, register this domain name. And then you have this and registered domain name, and congrats, you just got your own base domain name. Like, I will share my referral link in the video description, so if you want to do this also, you can use my referral link. And yeah, use my referral link to register and help the channel grow, subscribe. And there is something I want to show you guys. So right here, this is the airdrop I'm farming on Cosmos network. And I know this Cosmos staking holder right here, or staker holder, they normally receive airdrop, free airdrop every time, and I tend to stake this token for solely for aim of getting airdrop on this coin. But fortunately, this project took their snapshot on March 22, and I staked my token March 25. Here is the record of staking this token. You see, I stake 10 worth of Atom token, Cosmos token at 25 March. And right here, and I found out that this token right here make the snapshot of their project. Where is this project? They make snapshot of their project 22 of March. Here is the project right here. They make snapshot of their, here is it. They make snapshot of their project 22 of March 2024. So if you want to participate in an airdrop, you can just take your time and do it once and for all, because you might wait for tomorrow and these projects are already taking the snapshots immediately. You think of participating in this. If I've already staked this token maybe 2 days or 5 days before that day, I might qualify for this airdrop and receive this free token right here. And there's still more airdrop to come, and with this DYM, I'm going to buy this token and stake more, because with this various token right here, they are receiving more airdrop in this protocol on this network. So that's it. That's the main stuff I want to talk about on this. And don't forget, I will leave my affiliate link in the video description if you want to right here to check again. And I think I should be able to find this referral link, and this affiliate link, I will just press become and copy. So I'll leave this in the video description. If you want to farm this airdrop, you can just check this link out and do the process, follow this step-by-step guide and participate in these events. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video.